cool coders. Today we are diving into the essential topic of setting up your environment for Angular. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, I have got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into the setup process, let's quickly talk about why a proper environment setup is crucial. It ensures a smooth workflow, minimizes errors, and allows you to focus on what matters in your work. First thing first, let's check the prerequisites. Ensure you have Angular, NodeJs, and your favorite IDE installed on your system. You can find the links in the video description below. First, install NodeJs, an open source server-side JavaScript runtime for executing code outside of a web browser. To download NodeJs, open a web browser and in the browser search bar, search for NodeJs. The first link that is show up, click on that. This is the official web page of NodeJs. Download the LTS version. It is recommended for most users. And follow the installation instruction. After the installation is complete, open your terminal or CMD and type node-v. It will show the installed NodeJs version. After that, type npm-v. It will display the npm version. If both versions are displayed, then the installation is successful. Now, let's install Angular. In this course, I am going to use Angular 17. It is the latest version. Open your terminal and enter the command as shown and hit enter. I am not going to do that. I have already installed Angular. Sit back, relax and let your system do the work. With the installation complete, it's time to see Angular is installed in your system correctly. Head over to the terminal or CMD and let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Type ng version. It will show up the installed Angular version. In this step, you can use your favorite IDE. If you don't have one, I would recommend using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It provides a rich set of features and is a popular choice among developers. To download VS Code, open a web browser and in the browser search bar, search for VS Code. The first link that is show up, click on that. This is the official web page of Visual Studio Code. Hit the download button. After the download is complete, open the file and follow the instruction. Throughout this course, I am going to use VS Code. Now, create your first Angular project by opening your terminal or CMD and type ng-new, your project name. You can use any name for your project, but it's recommended to choose a relevant and meaningful name. Hit enter and wait for this process to complete. Open VS Code or an IDE and click Open Folder. Navigate to your project directory and hit open. Now you can see your project in VS Code. I recommended you to go through the project structure, files and see them. In the next video, we will dive into the exciting world of Angular. Great job! Your environment setup is complete. If you encounter any issues, refer to the documentation or leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. And there you have it, a quick and easy environment setup for Angular. Remember, a well-configured environment sets the foundation for your projects. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you at the next one. Till then, be safe, be happy, happy coding.